Ice bears and the steps of a polar bear. Our people, the Inuit, call the Naka white bear, ice bear, sea bear. Others say it's a bear. All right, but not like any other. It's a polar bear, made for our frozen world. No frost can steal polar bear's heat. It is a double coat, one of fat fur finger deep, one of fur, which has an extra trick for beating cold. Its hairs aren't really white, but hollow, filled with air to stop the warmth escaping, and underneath the skin is black to stop soaked up heat. Its ears stick close to its head, neatly out of cutting wind, and its feet are furred for warmth and grip, so polar bears stay warm no matter what. It will sleep away a blizzard in a drift and wash in snow. Polar bear is a great hunter. It outweighs 2 lions and makes a tiger look small. A single paw would fill this page and shred the paper with its claw. It could run as fast as a snowmobile and walk for days on end, and can swim 100 miles without a rest to cross the sweep between the ice floors, then shake the water off its fur and walk again. Nothing stops polar bear. Seals are its prey, hunts them far out on the frozen sea, waiting at a breathing hole, or stalking them as they sleep. Polar bears are white shape in a white world, invisible until it's too late, a lightning pulse strike or crushing bite, and the seal is gone. But polar bear is gentle too. Mother polar bear in winter snow den tends to her newborn cubs. She lifts their tiny bodies in her great paws and snuggles them. In spring, she'll take them from hunting, and for 2 years, she'll protect and feed them until they've learned like her, to hunt alone. Alone, through summer when the sun tracks up and down the sky, one day presses to another with no light. Alone, through winters when the sun never rises and the start of a great bear sprinkles in the darkness. Alone, until the paths of 2 lone hunters cross, they wave their heads in the great glass jaws of tenderly they wouldn't break an egg. Alone, until the paths of 2 long hunters cross, they wave their heads in greeting, clasp jaws so tenderly they wouldn't break an egg. Cautiously, they'll try each other's strength, then play. Giants flowing in the wetness, tumbling beautiful as snowflakes. Until they part, slowly go their separate ways. We Inuit, which we watch Nanakook, as we first unwatched when the earth seemed now, and polar bears showed us how to love the Arctic, how to hide from blizzards in a house of snow, how to hunt for seals with patience and with speed, how to live in a starlight day and sunlight night. Many polar bears into it have passed since then, and still have shared our world with gratitude and pride.